Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a pretty in pink eyeshadow look using the ColourPop
by the Rosé palette.
And this is what it looks like. A lot of pinks, nudes, sparkles, a lot of glitter. Yeah, we're gonna do a nice cute pink look. I'm gonna put a dress on today. We're gonna look cute, you know? So we're just gonna focus on the eye and make this a very short tutorial for all my tias, my primas, my friends who just want to get, you know, put some more color into their life instead of just a basic look, you know. So we're gonna zoom into the eyes. Okay, let's work on the brows. I am using Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit to work on these brows. They're cousins, not sisters, which is fine. Alright, let's move on to the concealer. I'm using House of Labs. This is their concealer in medium golden. Just clean up the brows. And then using a little flat brush. Just gonna clean it up. I usually just clean up the bottom and that's about it. Then I go in with Fenty Beauty. This is the concealer brush to clean up to blend everything else on the lid. So then we want to set the concealer with powder. So I'll be using the Pat McGrath. This is the under eye powder. I just use it to set my eyelids. This is how it looks like. This is in yellow. I just get a regular small little round brush and just set my eyelids. You don't want to have any creases. For the oily girls out there, our lids, they get oily, so after a couple hours you don't want like your makeup to shift and have that like that line, you know. So I tested this eyeshadow palette out and it does have some fallout. That's why I like to do my eyes first and then move on to the face. I'm going in with the blending color first, which is Sunday Soiree. It's this nice like mauve pink. So I just tap it on the brush. I'm using this blending brush from Morphe. I'm gonna start at the outer corner of the eye, swirl it, and then put it towards the crease. But basically like 2/3 of the crease, not all the way. So like from here all the way back. And this is like basically on my brow bone. So I'm going based off like the shape of my eye and also where my brow bone is. Because remember, I have like hooded eyes. So when you look at me, you can't really see my lids. So this is how I do it. So this is more so for like hooded eyes, almond eyes. You can learn a thing or two about a thing or two from other people. Add a little more. Swirl it in the outer corner. And then drag it left and right to the crease. And then put it a little bit up on the eyelid. Because remember, we want to have that facelift. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. We're going to put a little bit of the Savor It color. Just a wee bit on the outer crease. Just to darken up that corner. So what I do, I dab it in the outer corner. And then swirl. And then bring it up basically halfway on the eye. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Just a little bit, like I said, you can go darker, but I still want to have like a nice, bright, summery pink look. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this middle shade between the two. It's called Effervescent, I believe, and I'm gonna tap it on and put that in the outer crease as well. Just make it a little bit more darker, patting it on and then dragging into the crease. So now I'm going back in with that blending color. This is the Sunday Soiree, tapping in that on the brush, blending everything together. It's all about blending, and you need to spend your time blending. We don't want to be looking crazy out here, okay? Let me just clean up this corner. Just like that. A nice little clean up. Okay. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eye crease brush, small little brush. Let's darken that outer corner a little bit. All right, so remember, going back in with that blending brush and just blending this out some more. Now, I'm gonna use this Sephora Pro Shadow Brush in 15. So I'm gonna pack this on the brush, tap the excess, and then put it on the inner corner. And then basically halfway on the eyelid. Oh, hello there. What's up? You hot? Come here. Come here. Hi. This is Magic. Hi. My dad doesn't clean my inner corners because look how dirty I am. Putting it on the other eye. Packing it on inner corner and then down to the middle. Now we blend. See how it looks a little crazy? We're blending it now. We blend it on the crease and then we blend in the middle. Just like that. Look at the difference. So, again, blending it on the crease and then blending it in the middle. I do like a little shimmy in the middle and then blending it just like that. The power of blending, folks. So if you need to add a little more of that outer corner shade, you can. I can still blend whatever product is left on the brush. I can still blend in the middle, just slightly. See how it's looking so far? So guess what we're gonna do? My favorite part. I'm gonna go in with Cheese Babes. Pat that on the brush. Same brush that I used for the lid. And I'm gonna put this color in the middle. Look at that shimmer. Yes. And now I'm gonna go in with Sparkling, which is this one right here. This is going right in the inner corner. Just like so. Oh my goodness, look at that. Like a nice little subtle glimmer. Love it, darling, love it. All right, so last thing, blending everything on the crease. And I don't have to really blend on the lid because it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put my foundation on and then we're gonna come back to the eyes. So we're done with the face. The only thing different I did on my face was the blush. I used the Well People. This is the Super Power blush powder in Hazelnut Harvest. It's a little broken, but it still works. So I lightly put that on my cheeks. I want it to be more subtle because like I have enough pink here, so I just wanted to do more contour. Oh, I forgot to contour my nose. I'm gonna use this Morphe little short flat brush and going in with the darker color in Savor It. Just patting that on, tapping the excess. My nose is running. And putting that on the bottom lash line. And the same thing with the other eye. Look at that difference. Okay, so what I like to put, I like to have my inner corners pop some more. So I go in with the Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt highlighter in Hustler Baby. And put that with this EcoTools Precision Blending Brush. It's like a round, small brush. And putting it literally right here in the inner corner. So it's a very nice like champagne type of glitter. makes the eyes pop. Look at it. I look alive. Wow. Makeup is so fun. I'm gonna set the face now before I move into lashes. Let's put on some mascara. I'll do the Too Faced Better Than mascara. Just put it on enough to make my lashes dark. So when I put my false lashes on, it wouldn't look like powdery or anything like that. Okay, you see? Nice and dark. We're gonna do some lashes today, ladies. Let's see. Should we go big? Or should we do the little effortless? Okay, so let's do this velour effortless look. This is what it looks like out the packaging. I've used this before, so I already measured it and cut it. This is how it looks like afar. Lashes are such a struggle for me because of my curly lashes. I see some women who have straight lashes, they just plop those bad boys right on just like that, and I'm just like, it must be nice. All right, let's finish this up with, I'm just gonna do a gloss. Regular gloss, nothing too crazy. Let's see what glosses. I have a lot of glosses. Ooh, this will look so cute. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat in Fussy. Put this gloss on, even though it stings a little bit. Oh. Simple, cute, right? All right, let's get dressed. Okay, so this is the completed look. What do we think? I love it. It's very nice, very subtle. I got my cute little ruffled dress here. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.